I would like to discuss in this video three interview questions of the data warehouse. Those questions are: what is a data warehouse? Why we implemented data warehouse? What is difference between OLTP and OLAP? The first question would be, what is data warehouse? Data warehouse is a subject oriented, integrated, time oriented and non-volatile collection of data. That means subject oriented. A data warehouse can be used to analyze a particular subject area. For example, sales can be a particular area which we have different subject areas. These subjects such as a customer, supplier, sales, revenue, those are the different subjects areas. We can analyze the business particular subject area like a sales. And integrated. A data warehouse is constructed by the integrated data from heterogeneous sources such as the relation databases, flat files, etc. Means we have a different types of the sources can be accepted in the data warehouse, flat files, source systems, everything, but we can convert it into the single format and we will load into the data warehouse that is called integrated. And time variant. In data warehouse, we'll capture to the all historical data. So whenever we want the time period, based on the time period, we can retrieve the data for analyzing the business. For non-volatile. Non-volatile in the sense, non-volatile means the previous data is not erased when new data is added. Whenever in data warehouse, we will capture the historical data. So whenever added new data, it will not erase to the old data. It will add on top of that. So that's why we are called as a non-volatile. And uh, we have we have another definition for data warehouse, which is provided by the Kimball, that is data, information, and knowledge. Data is an organization format. Data means data is collection of raw material in an organization format. That an organization format we will convert it into the single format. That single format is the meaningful format. Based on that meaningful, and we are making the decision. Means in data warehouse, data is converted into the information format to get knowledge for making a decisions whether business is growing or not. This is the another example which is provided by the Kimball. Second one is the why we are implemented the data warehouse. Why we are implement the data warehouse. Before data warehouse, we have a ODS system. ODS means operational data store, means which is a volatile memory. We cannot capture the any historical data there. Once we don't have the historical data, we cannot analyze the business anything. The main purpose of the data warehouse, we can analyze the business. So for that reason, they implemented the data warehouse to load the data historically. Based on that, we can take the decision and analyze the business. And third question is difference between OLTP and OLAP. OLTP is the ODS memory, OLAP is the data warehouse. This question may ask what is difference between ODS and data warehouse also. We can we can like OLTP is the user to run business. Business we can run, but we cannot capture the historical data. And user to analyze the OLAP is the user to analyze the business. And OLTP application oriented and OLAP subject oriented. OLTP detailed data. OLAP summarized and refined data. OLTP current up to date and OLAP snapshot particular instance of the time data, and OLTP isolated data and OLAP integrated data. OLTP database size is 100 MB to the 100 GB and OLAP database size is 100 GB to few terabytes. So both read and write operations we have a OLTP, and OLAP only we have the write permissions. Thank you. That's it. This three questions.